Hey Wallet Hubbers! Today we're talking about how much it costs to repair a windshield. In general, it can cost anywhere from $10 to well over $200 to repair a windshield, depending on the severity of the damage, the location, your vehicle type, and what method of repair you go with. Smaller chips are typically cheaper to repair. Big cracks or large chips, on the other hand, may need a full windshield replacement, which is significantly more expensive. There are three main methods of repairing a damaged windshield, and we'll quickly go over each of them, including how much they typically cost. First, there are home repair kits. These are usually the cheapest option, costing anywhere from $10 to $15 for the basic kit. However, you should really only use an at-home kit if you're experienced or if the chips or cracks are very minor. Another option is to use a professional repair service like AAA or Safelite. Windshield repairs from a professional company can cost as little as $60 or as much as $200. These may be pricey options, but the peace of mind that your windshield is properly repaired is often worth the extra money. Lastly, you can use your comprehensive insurance to cover a windshield repair, but that's usually the most expensive option, especially if you have a high deductible. You'd need to pay the deductible before your insurance would kick in, so an $1,000 deductible would mean $1,000 out of pocket before having any sort of insurance coverage apply. To learn more about windshield coverage, check out WalletHub's guide to windshield insurance by clicking the button here.